So I'm back on my About Me homepage, and we're looking at that second section I had created earlier. I took some of the text and rearranged it, moved it over to the right hand side and the picture to the left, and I made the text into bulleted lists. I'm going to show you how to take this picture and replace it, but also make a gallery at the same time. So we're going to hit edit. We're going to do replace item. Okay, so I'm going to first look at my previous uploads. Nothing there I want to use. So I'm going to do upload file. And I'm going to select files to upload. Alright, so we're going to select a few photos that I have picked out here. You can only do one at a time, but that's okay. I think, yeah, just one at a time. I'm going to upload. Okay, and going to add more items now. So now we can flip through the different photos that have been provided. It's a great way to just quickly show a little bit about yourself without having a bunch of pictures all over the page. You can keep them nice and in one spot. And that's how we create a photo gallery.